Stephen Ian Lopez Veneracion, born February 7, 1975, is a Filipino actor and singer. His career started in 1982 as first appeared in our PN9 show, Joey and Son. In 1986, Veneracion joined GMA Networks That's Entertainment, hosted by German Marino. Throughout the 1990s, he starred in several action films. Veneracion's first drama appearance is Ikalang Ang Mamahalin since 2001. He later transferred to ABS-CBN in 2003 and had his first main role in directing Ang Umaga. In 2004, Veneracion returned to GMA Network and appeared in several shows. He once again moved to ABS-CBN in 2007 and returned to GMA Network in 2008. He also appeared in 2 shows of Robin Padilla, Joaquin Bordado, and Totoy Bato. Veneracion transferred from GMA Network to ABS-CBN in 2011. He popularly appeared in the remake of 2000 drama Pangako Sao, starring Catherine Bernardo and Daniel Padilla as Eduardo Buenavista in 2015. He appeared in the film directed by Antoinette Jadaoni, The Achy Breaky Hearts, in a main role with Jodista, Maria and Richard Yap in 2016. He did his first indie film, Beauty, in 2013. Primarily known as an action star, he regained fame in 2015 due to the popularity of his love team with Jodista, Maria. In 2017, he appeared in the drama A Love to Last with B. Alonzo and Isa Calzado. In 2023, he is also a part of the cast of The Ironheart as one of the main casts of the series. Personal life: his father is renowned painter Roy Veneracion, while his mother is Susan Lopez Veneracion. He grew up in Las Piñas, but spent many of his childhood summers in Lilon, Cebu, where his mother originally came from. He is of Spanish descent and is married to Pam, an industrial engineer with whom he has 3 children. Veneracion is an equipment engineer known to be an avid outdoorsman. He is a licensed private pilot, skydiver, paragliding pilot, and scuba diver. He also engages in various outdoor activities such as trail riding, climbing, sailing, and recreational fishing. Veneracion was a rider for the Shell Yamaha motocross racing team between 2004 and 2006. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 Vlogs.